Welcome to DAG Excel video number 8. Today I will be looking at how to deal with duplicates. There are times in your report you'll find that you have duplicates that you do not need and you need to deal with them efficiently and quickly. So even on a large data set, this efficiency tool will help you in dealing with duplicates. So notice in my data here, I have sales reps January through to June and names on the left. Now I've already got repeats. There's a Douglas repeated there and there. I've also seen Ashley repeated there, and the records are the same. So for Douglas, you have for January 6015, the repeat is the same. For February 3234, the same. So the records are exactly the same, but you might want to remove them. So instead of highlighting and deleting and reformatting, you can highlight the whole table, go to data. Under data, you come to this data tools, and this icon right there is remove duplicates. When you click on it, it will ask you, it gives you suggestions. Do you want to remove duplicates in all the columns or just based on one of the columns? Now this is on all the columns. Let's see what happens when we click OK. What Excel does is it actually removes. So it says 2 duplicates found, values found and removed, 11 unique values remain. So what this does, you have to be careful, is it actually deletes the records that are duplicated. So you find Douglas appears once and Ashley once again appears once, and they've been removed. If you do Control Z to bring them back, you can actually remove duplicates in only one of the columns. You can unselect or just go to sales rep, remove your duplicates, and it will remove totally the whole record, knowing that the whole record is affected. But had you highlighted, let's do Control Z, highlighted only one column like that, when you hit remove duplicates, it will ask you, it is very polite, do you want to expand the selection? Excel knows that there are records next to this column, so it wants you to expand. But if you don't want, you can simply come select continue with current selection and remove duplicates. It will ask you sales rep and you say OK, and it will only remove for the column that is affected. Control Z. Now after removing duplicates, there are times that you would want to present your data and it gets into your Word document. So what you could do is, this document, for example, is saved. I click on save. When you come to Word, to your Word, in Word, you can actually insert a table, and this table will be linked to Excel. So notice here I started working with embedding. What you could do is, the simplest way to do it is you can come to Excel, go to the table like that, copy it by hitting Ctrl+C. Once you copy it, get back to Word, and you can right click the position where you want to paste it and select either this option, which links this data to the source but keeps the source formatting, or this one that just links and use the destination theme, meaning that the theme in Word is what it will use. So notice the first column is not highlighted yellow as it is in Excel, but if you use the source formatting, it will format it like from the source. So when you paste it there, you discover that it actually pastes like that. But because this is linked, when I go back to Excel and change, say for David there, I put 6,500 and press enter. When I come to Word, it totally updates. So you do not have to type in Excel, come back to Word and update your records. So every time your records change, if you want for Ashley, you can say that in this region she just did 1,000. When you press enter, you don't have to go back to your Word document and begin to edit. It immediately updates for Ashley. It becomes 1,000 as if you were typing in here. That's how embedding works. There is also another way of embedding where you can embed the actual document and it shows as an icon. That method, you actually have to go to insert in Word. When it opens for you, then you go all the way to the end here. I don't see it. I think um, my icon is not activated, so I'll need to activate it. Okay, it's actually right here. So when you go to text section here, you select that icon that looks like a table, but without grid lines inside. You'll find object or text from file. Text from file will actually extract the text and paste it in Word, but you want the object. When you click on object, the dialog that will come will actually ask you um, many things, but what you want is to go to create from file and you go to browse. It will open the browse window and you select where you saved your Excel document. In my case, I saved it right here, which is Excel beginners remove duplicates. If I click on insert, it will ask me, do you want to link to file? Meaning that wherever I will find it, if it's linked to the Excel file where it is saved, whatever changes I make, they will totally update in the Word embedded document. So I can say link to file, and then I can tell it to display as an icon. That way it will look just like an icon the way you see it in File Explorer. Then you can click OK and it will appear right there. If it appears there, when you double click it, it will attempt to open the Excel file. Even if you email it to your boss or anyone in your team, they'll be able to double click and open it as if they are the ones who saved it on their own PC or on their own Word document. If you like this video, click on like below the video and subscribe so that you can get notifications every time I do a video. Thank you for watching.